will be Endurance, Shotgun Cowboy. In the gate. They're off in the Texas Mile. Endurance had a quick start on the outside, hit 469 right there. Shotgun Cowboys moving up to bid for the lead. Blue Tone was away prominently, and right on the inside, Great Minds as they swing around that first turn. It will be Blue Tone with a short lead and Shotgun Cowboy glued to him from the outside. Then a length and a half back, and it's Great Minds on the inside and right to the outside, Carve. Now Carve moves around Great Minds. Carve third, Great Minds on the inside fourth. Followed to the far outside by Endurance, caught on the outside. And just inside of him is Aces High, only about 3 lengths off the lead. Break of about 4. Back to hip 469. Jessica's Star has an outside path up the backstretch. And trailing the field is Wolfman Rocket. Half mile to the finish. And Shotgun Cowboy, plenty of company from Blue Tone. Those two have been knocking heads up on the front end, and Carve sits right outside of them. 3 wide third and battling for the lead. Aces High, prominently placed toward the outside, is next and fourth. Great Minds awaits clear sailing on the inside. Length and a half to Endurance. Jessica's Star is placed about 7 lengths off the lead and still toward the inside as they swing for home. Shotgun Cowboy comes off the turn with the lead. Blue Tone has dropped back on the inside. Shotgun Cowboy leads at Great Minds, right there to the outside. Carve is trying hard. Then up on the far outside, gaining some ground, is Aces High, but a little bit too late to get into this battle for the lead. Great Minds on the outside goes to the lead. Shotgun Cowboy a clear second. It's Great Minds in the Texas Mile by 3 parts of a length. Shotgun Cowboy is second, then a gap of 4 back to Aces High and Carve in a photo for third.